Imagine dropping a camera into the murky depths and actually seeing what's down there, not just guessing. This M5RU portable fish finder kit promises to turn every fishing trip into a visual adventure, but can it really deliver on that promise? Right out of the box, the M5RU feels like a serious piece of gear. While its 4-kilogram weight might make you think twice about calling it ultra-portable for a long hike, it speaks to a robust build quality that feels ready for the elements. The star of the show is undoubtedly that 7-inch LCD display. It's not just big, it's incredibly clear, boasting 1000 TVL resolution. When you're peering into dark water, that clarity, combined with the 12 powerful infrared lamps, makes a huge difference. It's genuinely exciting to see the underwater world come to life on screen, even in low-light conditions. What really impressed us is the level of control this kit offers. You're not just getting a picture, you can fine-tune everything from sensitivity to screen brightness, depth range, and even zoom in on specific areas. The depth alarm and fish alarm are fantastic additions, giving you audible cues so you don't have to constantly stare at the screen. And for those who like their data precise, you can switch between feet and meters or Celsius and Fahrenheit, which is a thoughtful touch. This device doesn't just show you fish, it paints a comprehensive picture of the underwater environment. It detects and displays the underwater outline, water depth, water temperature, and even gives you an idea of fish size and their exact depth. This kind of information is invaluable, whether you're ice fishing, casting from the shore, or navigating a kayak. It truly helps you understand the terrain and where the fish are holding. The 4500 mAh battery provides ample power for extended sessions, and the 15-meter cable gives you plenty of reach into deeper waters. Now, it's worth noting that this particular model doesn't include DVR functionality, meaning you won't be recording your underwater discoveries. For some, that might be a small trade-off, but for others, the focus is purely on real-time observation, and for that it excels. Overall, the M5RU Portable Fish Finder Kit is a powerful tool for any angler looking to elevate their game. It brings the underwater world directly to you, making fishing less of a mystery and more of a strategic pursuit. It's a solid investment for serious anglers who want to see what they're missing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.